actually
What
New
the
Year's
heck?
morning
Look
in
at that.
Philadelphia.
Guys, look at
I
that.
think I actually saw it too.
You don't, he doesn't stop or anything? Okay, again, do it again.
I have a shout.
Good
morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Today is Sunday morning. Magigising ko lang. Gising ako 5 o'clock ngayon. 6:30 na pakainin ko sila. Pero guys, look. Pajama. Naalala nyo to? Si kaibiyanan ito guys. Sinuot ko. Malaki lang nga siya pero komportable. As in, the material is nice. But anyway guys, good morning. So ngayon guys, punta tayo sa Connecticut. Kasi meron tayong puntahan. May birthday. Yung bata, may birthday. Apo sa kapatid ni Tami. So may birthday. And inimbita tayo. So kaya punta tayo. Yung binili kong regalo, yun siya. Tignan nyo to sila. Tapok-tapok kayo ha. Tignan nyo tong dalawa nagharapan. Tapok-tapok. Gutoman sila guys. Gutom. Especially yung posa. Gutom. Look. Dito silang lahat. Naghihintay. Gutom. Naghihintay. No. Oh, look at that. Look. You kiss your brother, miss? You did? You kiss your bro. You did kiss your bro, baby. Did. Looks is jealous. Frustration. Ganyan yan siya guys pag mag-jealous. Yung dakik-dakdak mo, yung pahimungtan. What is that? That's daki-dakdak. Is that your daki-dakdak? Say good morning. You guys have a good night sleep? Oh yeah. You have a good night sleep, right? Sleep. Ganyan yan siya guys. Kapag yung may frustration siya, yung frustration niya ba, i-release niya dyan sa duck. Paminsan matutulog yan si Roxy, yung duck, yung inano niya, parang pillow. Gutom. Yung hungry ba? It's already 10:30 ng umaga. I think alis ako dito mga 11. Yeah, alis tayo dito 11. And ito yung gift natin. Yeah, nagbihis lang ako. Ito lang yung ano ko, denim na ito. Galing ito sa ano, galing ito Walmart. Nabili ko sa Walmart. And black jeans, paborito ko na jeans, black. And paborito ko na boots, yung burgundy. Sinuot ko na yung regalo ni Tami guys na ano, bracelet. Suotin natin kasi I'm sure hindi natin na ito masusuot palagi kasi bakit naman talaga. So ngayon lagyan natin ng cover pink. Ito yung invitation card. I think yung drive is like almost an hour yung drive. So, no, diba? Ang layo. So, hindi ko talaga alam. Obviously, hindi tayo makapag-vlog doon kasi, you know, ang dami daw inimbitan niya. Ang dami. Parang, iwan ko, basta dami. And daming tao daw doon at hindi naman natin kilala kasi yung kilala ko lang is yung itong side na family. Ito siya. I will see you later and then GoPro yung dalhin ko. And it's 51 minutes drive from here.
You what?
51 minutes drive.
51 degrees outside?
51 minutes drive.
Oh, 51-minute drive.
So, where are you now?
I'm packing up to go.
You can call me when you're driving. Call my cell phone number.
Okay.
I love you.
You too.
Bye. Okay guys, alis na tayo guys. Hindi ko makita yung ano, katloka talaga to. Anyway, I will see you over there. Yeah.
So how did you not?
Okay guys. We're here outside.
Oh, right there.
Where you park? Oh, it's pretty close.
It's pretty cold. I think that takes
I
fine.
park over there in the end.
What?
There, the
Oh,
end.
did ya?
Yeah.
We could give you a ride to your car.
No, I can walk. Okay guys,
Or-
dito kami sa labas.
Or I could stand in front of a parking spot.
Oh, this is your car right here.
Yeah, you see my New Year's Eve, somebody smashed me. It was actually
What
New
the
Year's
heck?
morning
Look
in
at that.
Philadelphia.
Guys, look at
I
that.
think I actually saw it too.
You don't, he doesn't stop or anything?
Well, you know what happened?
Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa mall. Alis na kami guys, galing party. Woo! Yee! Yee! I'm riding! That's nice. Hala, I wanna see this. This is nice. Look at it.
Go in there and do it.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, Thomas, can we do that, Thomas? Yeah, that's nice. That's so nice. So, dito kami ngayon, guys. Pauwi na kami galing sa party. Ang ganda nito, oh, look. Hello, guys. Pauwi na ako, guys. And, so yun, pauwi na tayo. Ngayon, hanapin natin yung sasakyan kasi hindi ko alam. I think dito yun. Kasi ang laki kasi ng parking lot, guys. Oh, look. Ang laki. Sana makita ko yung sasakyan. Look, ang laki doon. Dito tayo. Ayan, ang layo ng parking ko. Dito pa din. Ay, oh. Anyway. So, yun. Let's go. So, I think ito na yung sasakyan ko. Kasi, ito na yun. Let me see. Yeah, ito na yun siya. Dito na. Doon ako pumunta guys. Doong area na yan. Ang laki ng parking oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ngayon saan natin to ilagay yung tubig? Drive na tayo ng 1 oras na naman. So, let's go home. Ang daming bata. Kasi yung party pala ng ano ni Tami, anak ng pamangkin niya is anon pala, nandun pala sa tawag nito, yung kids club, yung mga lapalaruan ng bata, and then may room doon na para sa party. So, doon pala yung ano, party sus ang bata. Grabe. Hindi ako makapag-film guys. Alam nyo naman, hindi ko kilala yung mga tao doon. And hindi ko sila kilala, plus ang daming bata. Magalano.
Vincent Magalano. Oh, it's 2 names.
Magalano di Maano.
Magalano Demano.
Honey? Magaliano. How you, that's Magalano. Magaliano, that's how you...
What do you see Magaliano? You don't see an I in there?
Yeah, but it's silent I. It's double L. Magaliano. What the heck is going on?
Magaliano. There's no I.
Yeah, but look
How
what...
do you turn 2 L's into an I?
Look what you did to my thing.
I didn't do shit. Here's shout out to Vincent Magliano
Di Maano.
Dimano. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
I took the words away from me.
Okay, again, do it again.
I had to shout out to Vincent Magliano Dimano. I don't know what I'm saying here.
This is Santa Claus here.
It's not Santa Claus.
It's not Santa Claus. He just, guys, he just,
I'm just old, and my beard, it's white. So I shave off the beard, and now it's not even there white anymore.
yeah, he just shaved the beard. Magaliano. Vincent Magaliano Di Maano. Hello. There's Uncle Tommy here. Uncle Tommy? Huh?
Hi, Uncle Tommy. Glad to see you. Because I don't see you, you see me.
Okay, bye guys.
Best of everything.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Mama doesn't leave you any light? How dare me? How dare me? Mama doesn't leave any light. Hello, Kadila. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. The drive is perfect. Aroy, what is that? What is that? goodness. Oh, let's go sleeping here. Gupit. Oh, naku, lagi gupit. Aray, ginoo ko, Roxy. Giwa siya sa wilding. Aray, ginoo ko. Pagka-wild na lang. Ay, gaga. Yung baby. Okay, guys. Pasok tayo, pasok. Let's go inside. And kakain tayo. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung kakainin ko? Yung leftover natin na tinula. Nakapajama na talaga ako, guys. Pagdating ko dito, pajama agad. Kasi alam niyo naman, para komportable yung buhay. Alam niyo, galing ako sa party, diba? Nagutom ako, guys. Iba dito mag-party, guys. Mga sandwich. Yung mga ganun ba? Hindi man yan magsilbi sa atin. Kailangan may mga ulam-ulam, rice. Doon na, sandwich, mga pasta salad, pasta, pizza. Nagutom ako. Akala ko fake yung tinula. Totoo pala. Nanonood ako ng ano, fiancé something. 90 Days Fiancé. Kala ko mainit. It's 9 o'clock na, ginoo ko. Maaga pa tayo bukas, punta sa isang bahay. Sakit yung ulo ko every time na andito ako sa cellphone, nakaganon na ako cellphone. Always na lang ito natatagak talaga, ang remote control. Anyway guys, matulog na tayo. Kasi alam nyo naman, oh my god. Oh my god, gawin kaming bukas ni Tami, guys. Watch out, guys. Bukas, ang may request ako kay Tami na gagawin namin. Kasi may nag-request kasi sa viewers na gawin ko yon. Matagal-tagal na yung request. May mga viewers na nag-request na gawin ko daw kasi ginagawa ng isang YouTuber. Well, yung YouTuber na yon is palagi ko siyang pinapanood. Well, hindi naman talaga palagi. Pero nanonood ako, lalot na kapag mga ganun. Basta, pinapanood ko yung mga, basta makikita ninyo bukas. Sana lang magagawa namin ni Tami. Fingers crossed, magagawa namin. At saka, meron kaming lakas na gawin. Kasi parang takot kami, na gawin namin yun. Pero, I will try my best. So, makikita nyo na lang bukas. Kapag hindi namin magawa bukas, sabihin ko na lang sa inyo na hindi namin nagawa. Try ko lang. And anyway guys, good night. Ilagay ko na itong ano. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.